As you will have noticed by now, we are already 5 days into the new year and the clock is ticking. It did not stop and it will never stop. Good morning, my name is Victor Kweji, your business success coach and consultant. Once again, I come your way with a business building block, episode 3 for 2023. Now, so here's what I got for you today, especially for anyone who is contemplating on starting a business and exploring entrepreneurship journey. One of the questions most people tend to ask, even if it is an internal dialogue, is, am I an entrepreneur? Do I have it in me to start this journey? Here's my go-to answer. I believe that there are those born with that, what I call the entrepreneurial gene, and there are those who are driven by their vision and goals to choose a part of entrepreneurship to help them accomplish it. Having said that, if you can identify yourself with the following characteristics, chances are you'll be good at entrepreneurship. Number one, you are not afraid of risk and often make good judgments. Number two, you are irritated by complaints and excuses and take ownership to address issues. Number three, you think differently when it comes to solving and managing problems, and they are not daunting to you. Number four, you are passionate about building something. Number five, you're excited about the impact you can make from your business. And number six, you're a self-motivator and do not wait on others to motivate you. Now listen to these again and think about them. And I challenge you, do not limit yourself. You have the possibility and everything to make it happen. God richly bless you. Before you go, just a few announcements for you. As a business coach and consultant, I help people start and grow their businesses. If you're interested to start a business this year or to grow your existing business, please don't hesitate to reach out and I'll be more than glad to speak with you and help you. And secondly, and more importantly, we've got a business building blog podcast soon to be launched. Get ready for it. It's going to be informative, it's going to be exciting, it's going to be inspiring, it's going to be motivating and challenging as well to you to help you to achieve the best. And finally, if you ever desire to become an author, a writer, and publish your book, this workshop is for you. I've put together this book writing workshop where I share my experience and the strategy I've developed to help you write your book. 10 steps to write your book in 10 days. If your goal is to become an author this year, this is the one you need to sign up quickly to. Please do not hesitate to like, share, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for all the exciting things coming so you do not miss them. Thank you once again, and God richly bless you.